Topic of our today's video is the best car insurance companies of 2022. Before starting our video, we gonna answer one simple question: how much car insurance do I need? The amount of insurance you need depends upon several factors. One of the most important indicators of how much coverage you may need is state requirements. Most states have laws that require driver to carry a minimum amount of liability coverage. Some states also require driver to carry other type of insurance such as uninsurance motorist coverage or personal injury protection (PIP). The next thing to consider is any leader or lesser requirements. If you make monthly payment on your vehicle, your loan or less agreement specific how much coverage you need to carry. Refer to your lender, lesser or financing agreement. We surveyed more than 10,000 policyholders across the nation and found out the following representing the top car insurance companies. We also evaluate insurance based on rates if you are looking for the most affordable coverage. Number 1 company on our list is United Service Automobile Association. It has a rating of 4.3 out of 5. It is the best insurance company in our rating. According to our 2022 survey, United Service Automobile Association customer reports the highest level of customer satisfaction as most likely to renew their policy and recommend it to other drivers. It also has the lowest rating in our study, beating the national average by 35%. USAA insurance product including auto, home owners and rental policies are only available to members of the military community. As such, not all drivers will be eligible for coverage through member of its insurers. State Farm is number 2 in our rating and has above average score in each of our sub-rating including claim heading and customer loyalty. It also did well in our cheapest car insurance companies of 2022 rating. Its average premium for a driver with less than pristine driving record were the lowest in our rating for those unable to get policy from USAA. It has a rating of 4.2 out of 5. Third company on our list is Farmers. Farmers ties for number 1 in our rating for claims handling and for number 2 in customer services. It also ties for number 2 in customer loyalty, where Farmers didn't perform as well as in most likely to renew, where it has a score of 4.0 in below category average of 4.2. Fourth company on our list is Nationwide. Nationwide moved up 2 spots since our 2021 analysis and trying for the number 3 spot. Nationwide has the second highest rating in our customer loyalty and most likely to recommended sub-ratings and above average score in each of the other sub-rating categories. Nationwide also has a below average rate for some drivers, especially those with a good driving record or poor credits. Nationwide has a score of 4.1 out of 5. Fifth company on our list of top 10 insurance companies of the 2022 is GQ. It is the third spot of the year rating is GQ with average score across the board in categories like customer service, claim handling and customer loyalty, which stands up it in its premium, which are in number 2 spot in our rating of the cheapest car insurance companies of 2022. Its rates are just behind top rated USAA 14 and senior drivers as well as those with poor credits. Number 6 company is Allstate, moving up 3 spots to tie at number 6 in this year best car insurance company rating. Allstate is also ranked number 4 in our most likely to be recommended sub-rating. Although the company received slightly below average score in most of the other sub-rating categories, its rates are among the highest in our analysis, but Allstate may offer a competitive rate for certain drivers such as those with a speeding violation on their driving record. Allstate has a rating of 4.0 out of 5. Number 7 company is Travelers. Travelers also had some upward movement in this year, moving up 2 spots and trying for a number 6 position. Travelers customer service score is lower than the 7 other insurers in our analysis, but it takes the number 1 spot in our claim handling sub-rating category and number 3 spot for the most likely to be renewed category. Travelers also receives an above average score for policy renewals and offers premium that are typically lower than the Nationwide. Travelers has a rating of 4.0 stars out of 5. Number 8 company on our list is Progressive. Progressive takes the number 8 spot in our analysis. Overall, customers are generally satisfied with the ease of opening a policy, but Progressive plays a last in our best customer loyalty category and had below average score in another sub-rating in our survey. Progressive customers also report being less likely to renew their policy or recommended the insurance to other drivers. However, person with a DUI may be able to unlock savings with Progressive. Its rates for the drivers are among the lowest in our study. Progressive have a rating of 3.9 stars out of 5. Ninth company on our list is American Automobile Association. It is new to our best car insurance company's rating, and it ties with Progressors for the number 8 spot. Its scores are below average in each category we analyzed. It does, however, take number 1 6 spots in our most likely to be renewed subrating, beating Allstate, Farmers, Progressive, and American Family. AAA also had the highest average premium in our study, but drivers considering it should get a quote to determine if their individual rate is more competitive. AAA has a rating of 3.9 out of 5. Number 10 on our list is American Family. American Family dropped 4 spots this year and ranked number 10 in our analysis. Its scores are the lowest in most subrating categories. Though American Family has a slight higher score than Progressor in our best insurance for company loyalty category. Despite low score, American Family does offers competitive rate for some drivers, especially teen drivers, drivers with poor credit, and drivers with an accident or DUI on their record. It has a rating of 3.7 stars out of 5. The last most frequent question is, how can I find the best price on a car insurance? To find the best rate on car insurance, the National Institute of Insurance recommend that customer get quote from at least 3 insurers as you shop for coverage, but sure to compare quotes for the same amount and type of coverage. Second most frequent questions is, which car insurance is the cheapest? USAA has the cheapest car insurance according to our 2022 study. Its average rate is $1,000 a year, which is $539 less than a nationwide average. Drivers who don't qualify for the coverage to USAA are likely to find the lowest rate with Geico. Geico average rate is $1,148 a year, which beats the nationwide average by $391. Keep in mind that an insurer average rate may not reflect on to your own. The best way to find the lowest rate available to you is get and compare quotes from several insurers. Now we are going to answer the most frequent questions. Who has the best car insurance? USAA and State Farm are the best auto insurance companies according to our most recent data analysis. USAA has the highest overall scores in our customer surveys and also has ranked first in nearly every subrating we analyzed. It also has the lowest rates among the car insurance included in our study. USAA products are only available to members of the military community. Drivers who don't fit into the category are likely to find the best coverage to the State Farm, which has the second score in our survey and record that are lower than the national average. Other insurers has above average survey score include Farmers, Nationwide, and Geico.